A lot of people are upset by the fitness software solutions of today. The majority of applications provide the same old exercises and guidance that don't suit each person's particular needs or objectives. On the other hand, developers of these days run across a roadblock. They often have to rely on outdated techniques that don't make the best use of the latest updates from users or even the science behind fitness. This makes it tough to tailor the application to each person's health and fitness journey. Developers of 2024 want to build apps that truly adapt to the user's needs. That's where smart AI tools like Gemini from Google come in handy. For today's example, I use Gemini to build an app, a fitness app that truly understands and adapts to the user's needs. To make this better fitness app, I asked Gemini for help. I gave it questions to learn about existing fitness solutions and gather all kinds of feedback. This feedback helped me gather all the information I need to create my specs based on my user needs. Then, under the guidance of Gemini, I focused on building the technical foundation for this full-stack web application. I use the web as accessible to everyone. For the backend, I use Node.js and Express, which is directly connected with the Gemini API. To enhance the app's ability to provide tailored responses, I had to incorporate Firebase. Firebase is where I store all of my data. For the frontend, I use Angular as it's a framework that I'm more familiar with. Thanks to Gemini, putting all of this together just took a few hours. After that, I asked Gemini what information it needed to create tailored fitness plans or diet suggestions. With the information I got, I then went to design my forms. Those forms collect your goal, your general information, metrics, health stats, workout preferences, and even your coach style. We collect this information so that the AI responses will be tailored based on your goals, objectives, and needs. Now let's put our fitness app to the test. We will create a profile for someone who is aiming to run a marathon. I've set up this user as a 30-year-old male with the following height and weight, working out 5 times per week and always resting during the weekend. However, he has asthma. Once the initial profile is set up, the app transitions you to the chat window page. Here, your profile will be automatically selected and Gemini will begin the conversation. This conversation will be based on your fitness goals and data, giving that personal touch. Every day, this app will ask you, how did you feel today during your run? This way, the fitness plan isn't just on your initial data, but based on your progression. To further test Gemini, I will intentionally skip working out on Thursdays. After just a few days, Gemini recognized this pattern and asked me, Thursdays seems challenging for you. Would you prefer a shorter workout or shifting your Thursday for a rest day? Depending on my response, Gemini will adjust my workout in real time, ensuring the fitness journey is flexible and truly tailored to my needs. This dialogue ensures that your fitness plan remains aligned with your current goals, how you feel physically, mentally, and in the reality of your progression. The real beauty behind this system is the ability to learn and evolve. As the user interacts with the app, it gathers more information and it refines its understanding of what works best for you. This means that the fitness plans or diet suggestions get better and better and more personalized over time. Ultimately, it's Gemini that empowers this app to go beyond the typical fitness tools, making each user's journey not just about reaching their goals, but to make it a smarter, healthier, and more tailored lifestyle for them. If you're inspired to create apps that truly adapt to your users' needs, head to Google AI Studio and discover how tools like Gemini API can make your software smarter with the power of AI.